Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So my name is Lauren. If you don't know who I am, I create mommy videos, natural hair videos, and also just lifestyle videos as well. So today's video is gonna be a really exciting video because I know a lot of people who watch me or just in general are YouTubers. So I bought a laptop. I bought a laptop. It is a MacBook Pro 2017 model. I kind of go over what I got as far as the specs on the computer. I'm not a tech channel, but just the general information of the actual computer. And I kind of go over the review of BackMarket, which is basically the company I bought the actual laptop from. So I go over the good and the bad because it was not all good. But anyway, yeah, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you have bought from them in the past or just here recently, let me know down below. I want to hear your stories. But yeah, you already know I do not like long intros. So let's go ahead and get into the video, and yeah, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so this is my laptop. Here she is. She is in the space gray color. Again, she is a MacBook Pro, Retina display, 15.4 inch model, and she is for 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. It is the Core i7 2017 model, and I actually spent $1,063 on this computer. That was before taxes, and I bought it in a good condition. So let me just start from the beginning. So long story short, I got the computer. I purchased it on what date? Some day. I'll leave it up here. And it came in 5 days. That was a free shipping, 5 days to actually order it and come in, deliver to your house. So shipping was fine, delivery was fine, nothing to worry about there. Actually came in this really nice bubble plastic thing. So I knew for a fact they actually care about the products and sent it over. So like, it wouldn't get damaged in transit, which was a plus for me. When I seen that, I was like, wait, hold up, why is it so big? But it was actually to protect the computer, which I actually like because I spent $1,000 on it. It may be like refurbished, but it was $1,000 I spent on this computer, so I wanted to be taken care of. But it was nice, came in that, and no damage on that end. As far as the actual computer itself, it was no actual damage on it as well. It came in great condition. I would say actually better than good on my end, but hey, that's just me. And then as far as the only spec I had on the computer was on the actual screen, which I'll kind of leave another video here to let you guys show like in a detailed version. But the only thing I had an issue with was I don't know if you guys can even see it really. Pop game. Perfect condition. So let's get into the bad part. So they also sent me a charger. They sent me a charger for the laptop. Now again, my computer is 2017. This charger is not the correct charger. They sent me a 2015 charger, which you guys can see is a magnetic charger sent over there to me, which is not going to be compatible with my 2017 model. It's just not. Because you guys know USB-C ports are now on the computers, which means no other ports are going to be able to fit inside, whether to charge, to hook up anything to. So that was a big no-no, because when I got it delivered, it was dead zero battery. So I couldn't even turn it on to see if it worked. I was so excited, couldn't even turn it on. I was so upset when I found out it was not the right charger. So I went online, I actually messaged them. I said, hey, this is not the correct charger, X, Y, and Z. They responded back and say, okay, sorry about that. Can you send us a picture of the port and the charges to check on their end? Sent it over yesterday, and they have not responded back today about it, which they have 24 hours too, which I'm not really worried about it. But if you don't know, they have a 12-month warranty on all their actual electronics. So say for example, there's some type of defect, some type of issue, whether it being like just something you didn't pay for but you got anyway, there's a 12-month warranty on that free that you can actually feel more comfortable buying from them as well. So that was another big plus I liked about the actual website, because Refurbished for me was like, I don't know, that's a lot of money. But that really like eased my mind because of 12-month warranty. Other part was, obviously it is on, so I had to go to Walmart and get me a charger. Now, I had got a 30-watt charger, which is right here, and then also got a USB-C charging cable. I spent $71 together for these two parts to charge my laptop. Now, again, my laptop cost $1,000. Add that, and it was looking at $1,000 to $1,200 with taxes. Okay, it's just thrown out there. So that was one thing I did not like, because I feel like if you're gonna send me a laptop, make sure you guys check the right cable cords and things like that. I mean, it didn't help with the whole process. Granted, the computer was just fine, wasn't worried about that, but I had to go my way to buy another charger because y'all didn't send the correct charger over. But again, I'm happy she's here. I'm happy she's charged. We're good. As far as turning everything on, everything works properly. Everything was smooth transition. It was the right amount of storage on the actual computer that I bought it for. Had no issues, no like black screen issues. There was no damages, no nothing. It logs onto my cloud just fine. No issues with the computer at all. So I love that. Overall, I feel like if I was to rate this company, it would be basically a 8 out of 10, and that's just because of the experience with the charger. Now, granted, they probably didn't know, which I don't know how that would happen, but for me as a consumer, you're supposed to check before you send it out. But we're waiting to hear back, so I'm not going to give them too much flack. But if you want to see like a 3-month or 6-month update with the computer, let me know down below. But I would definitely recommend buying from them, just because I honestly saved a good amount of money buying a refurbished laptop and buying a brand new from Apple or Best Buy, because I'm not getting paid like a YouTuber. So it was very much trying to save up for this, and I think it was a well-deserved purchase. So just go online down below. If you want to go ahead and look it out, you can. There was like a $10 code I had, not to a sponsorship, but it was just basically going to use $10 off. Go ahead and look down below. There's one for that. But like I said, great experience with the actual computer. Just that charger part, I'm still not cool with. But other than that, great experience. So I will show you guys my accessories really fast. So I went to Amazon, per usual. I got the like, I guess, pink marble color and a case just like this, and then I also got a cute little carrying case like that to put my you know, mouse inside of it. It is a wireless mouse right here, so it's very cute. And then also oh, I got a little dongle. I don't have it here right now, but somewhere I'll leave it up here, a dongle, so I can put it in, so I can put like a USB-A port, like a flash drive or a memory card, so I can actually use it like I want to use it. And I also got this from Amazon. It is just basically a it's a lap desk, so like I'm up all night, I can just use this with my computer instead of having to go to a desk and be like sitting up all night, just be in the bed and edit as well. Okay, anyway, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys got some good outlook of the company, and I hope you guys took this with a grain of salt, because everyone is going to be different. As you know, it is a marketplace where different sellers are on there, so my experience may not be yours, but other than that, I think it is a very great company to look into. May not purchase, but look into as far as a potential buyer, to say the least. It's very good. But anywho, if you want to go ahead and see more videos just like my regular content, my mommy videos, my natural hair videos, let me know down below, and just go to my channel. But I will see you guys in the next video, and bye.